Y'all ain't see him walk up on me and I swung on his. I would have swung on you too if you.
I'm pressing charges on this is because I wasn't hurt, but.
On July 28, 2023, police responded to a shoplifting incident at Walmart. The suspects were seen stealing items and bypassing self-checkout. When confronted, one of the suspects punched the loss prevention officer. When detained by officers, he was found to have an active firearm-related warrant and later arrested and charged with shoplifting and battery.
Bro, he just ran up on me, bro. Okay. He just ran up on me for nothing, bro. I don't even know that dude.
Hands behind your back.
What's the problem called? What is the problem called? Go ahead, run it back.
Press charges.
I'm sorry, my neck broke, bro. Alright, he just walked up, bro. He just walked up on me for nothing. I don't know him. I got the money, bro. I paid for my stuff, bro. Come on. How my money right up?
Yeah. Hang on to that. No, they're not.
What are you doing? I paid for my stuff, bro.
Roosevelt, don't start.
Okay, daddy.
Don't start.
All right, baby.
Don't start.
Alright, get up. I ain't doing nothing.
Don't start. Hey, you want me to put this in your pocket? Hey, you want me to put this in your pocket?
I'm trying to do it.
Alright, you feel that? You see this? Feel it in your pocket? Okay. Turn around.
I never lied to you, bro.
You know your knees?
Wait, I just got 8 times too, bro. I got rides in the hood.
We're gonna stand you up.
Bend your knees together. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. There you go.
Yeah.
What the hell going on, bro?
I'm being serious, bro. You heard me, Al? You know that white dude, bro?
I ain't even saying nothing, bro.
You heard me, Al?
What'd you say?
I don't know that white man from a can of paint. He was looking at us walking back towards us, so he walked up to me when we walked out, and I swung on his ass. That's all. I don't know who he is, but he told us like meet him outside or something. I don't know who the fuck he is, bro. Never seen him a day in my life. We just paid for our clothes, and he was like eyeing us down and shit. You heard me? I don't know what. I never seen him a day in my life. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know him. You feel me?
I got you.
Like, what, am I going to jail or something?
No, we just gonna figure out what's going on right now.
Shit, I want to know too, bro. I don't even know this man, dude.
Man, you seen that there? You seen that shit, bro? These crackers crazy. That's why crackers dying, fam. This shit crazy.
I don't got nothing on me, officer. I promise you, bro. Like you just touching me and stuff. Like I'm telling you, it's nothing on me. I promise you. You don't got to be in fear for your life. I'm very respectful. I ain't disrespect you. You heard me?
Just throw that on top of the car.
Yeah, no.
I'm not even being arrested. They just searching me and yeah, bet that up.
Alright, we didn't search you. We're just paying you down.
Paying you down for weapons. That's it.
Bro, I don't got no weapons on me.
No, you good. That's what I'm saying. Take a seat.
Have a seat.
I don't even want to sit down. I'm not being.
You're not under arrest.
Okay, but I don't want to sit down.
Nobody's gonna shoot. Nobody's gonna do nothing.
All I'm saying is I'm in fear for my life. I can stand up at the back of the car. Y'all don't have to make me sit down, fam, because I'm not being detained. Can I sit on the ground?
You're detained. No, you cannot.
I'm not being arrested.
Listen,
fam.
stop talking. Listen to me, all right? Listen.
Make it easy for yourself and just sit in the car.
Cooperate. The sooner we get this over, the sooner you can go or whatever the situation is.
Look, my mind is thrilled. I don't know this dude, bro.
You good? That's what we're trying to figure out. What we're trying to figure out, man.
I'm already like in defense, bro. You feel me? That's it. It's nothing towards y'all. I promise to God on my business. I don't know him. That's why I'm like,
Let's go talk. We're gonna just go talk to him, all right?
And then you good. You good.
And look, the whole thing that started it, the first thing he said to us when he walked in was, meet me outside. What the fuck is that for? Who are you?
All right, we're gonna talk to him.
So it's like he provoked us, bro. You feel me, bro? I'm gonna keep it real, but I don't know him. I promise you. I don't mess with nobody.
All right?
Feel me?
Listen.
I promise you, bro. I'm not being disrespectful,
I understand.
bro.
Look, I'm not being disrespectful, okay?
I think he
am I being disrespectful?
You're not at all.
I'm trying to let you,
I was thrilled,
I'm trying to
bro.
cooperate you, cooperate with us, so we can get this moving. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, just have a seat. Put your feet in. So we can go talk to that guy, dude.
Thank you, bro. I really don't even. I'm thrilled, bro.
So what's your first and last name?
I don't even want to share it, bro, because I'm not being arrested. I don't know what's going on, fam. Call Mark Shannon, my lawyer, and Latoya Bell Bonds. That's my. I ain't giving my name up.
You know, if you don't give your name,
no.
We have to go to the county.
Call my lawyer. I don't know. You could call my lawyer right now on the phone. You don't have to take me to jail.
No, I understand, but what I'm going to tell you is you want your lawyer. But if you don't properly identify yourself, we have to take you to the Palm Beach County Jail so we can identify you. and then you will be under arrest for obstruction. So the choice is yours.
Bro, the streets is set up to fuck me up for failure. That's what it's for.
But I'm trying.
Right now, y'all having this conversation.
I need to know who I'm talking to.
For no reason, you're not gonna let us conduct our investigation?
It's no reason at all. Y'all ain't see him walk up on me and I swung on his bitch ass. I would have swung on you too if you ain't have that badge and you walked up on me. I don't know you, bro. I'm defending myself. It's harassing. My name's James, bro.
What's your
My name is James.
His name is James?
That's me, bro.
All right.
I never lied to you.
All right.
Put your feet in.
Hey, look, I don't know who he is.
Okay.
I really want to know,
So
bro.
that's what. Can you go? You're not gonna let us talk to him.
It ain't y'all fault.
You're not gonna let us talk to him because you keep talking to us.
Look, I was finna beat his ass right now. I swear to God.
Listen.
Y'all would have been coming to get me on a fucking attempted murder. I was gonna kick his face through the ground, but y'all grabbed me for nothing. I don't know why. Y'all should have grabbed him for walking up on me.
Can we go
Now
talk to
him? Thank you.
All right.
So that's why we, you know what I mean? That's why.
I ain't got
that's,
no. I don't gotta see.
How am I running into you twice now in a week now?
See, but it's good though. It's a good thing. But I know they trying to make a big deal. I run that shit. I run my shit up. Like, what did you surrounded like? You like we steal? But I gotta steal this cheap ass shit.
Look, man, you know how it is.
Yeah.
You get a report of someone with a possible gun in fucking Walmart. Come on, man. Come on, bro. And then y'all got fucking face masks on and shit. Like, well, they got face masks on and shit like that, man. Like,
You gotta be presentable. I got you. He just a little shell shock.
so,
Talk to what?
like I said, man, we're just figuring out what we got right now, and
Whatever. If I need to cover, I got the money in my pocket.
it's still there,
I know what I
okay?
spent. You said.
Okay, just make sure it stays there, okay?
Got a discount. I got a discount. What you mad 'cause I got a discount? You can't get mad 'cause I got a fucking discount.
No, that loss prevention guy's a little.
No, you
special.
see that, bro. You see that. They mad. What? 'Cause I got a discount?
Yeah.
Nah.
Stay against my car, man.
Yes, sir. I got a discount on mine. What you mad?
Yeah, he's special, man. But like I said,
I got a discount. They can't do that. You know when you look at when you ring the thing up like and you use a certain discount you can scan it with your phone and stuff. Yeah, that's why they looking at it. Oh, this more than this, but when you got a discount.
we ain't concerned about that.
Oh.
What I told you before is what we concerned about.
Oh, but
I just saw him the other day, man.
he took me home.
Well, we were
Walk me
watching
through to,
we were watching these three black males in the clothing department. They were selecting clothes like really fast and just throwing them in the shopping cart. You know, all running around selecting clothes, men's clothes. So then they go to this self-checkouts, grocery side, and I watched, and I sat over by Subway, and I watched them do the transaction, and they were like skip scanning a lot of merchandise. So I went out and I told the officers that were outside waiting that it's confirmed that they are skip scanning, and then when I came back in, I just continued to watch them as they skip scan, and then when they came to exit, and the customer host went to talk to them to check the receipt, the guy said, "You're watching me, you're watching me, you're watching me," pointing at me, and then he threw a punch at me.
was it an open fist, closed fist?
I don't know, because it was kind of fast.
But you did
blocked
sustain an injury to your
I
your left
blocked it.
arm.
I think his hand hit his hand must have hit. I didn't block his arm, I blocked his hand when it was coming at my face. So I deflected off my arm, and yeah, scratched on my beautiful Hanya tattoo that he ruined. That was about $1,000. The only reason why I'm pressing charges on this is because I wasn't hurt, but this guy thinks he can go around punching everybody in the face like that so quickly. I mean, that's not right. He could have really hurt me, and he could have really hurt somebody else. So.
Is this your sister?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She's gonna take your personal property.
What? I'm going to jail?
You will be, yeah.
Why? What happened?
You have a warrant, and you're also going to jail for assault.
How did I assault him then? Really? I don't know him from a candy paint, I promise you.
There's camera footage.
Yeah, there's camera footage. Did you see him walk out the store? He made a statement, come outside. I didn't never follow him out the store.
I'm telling you what the primary officer is charging you with. You're just going to take it up in court. All right, I just need you to step out. So
But either way, you have a warrant, so you have to go.
All right.
You want to give everything to your sister?
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Shit not sitting right.
How many pairs you have
for
on?
real, fam. How many what?
Aren't you hot on, dude?
No, I'm not. 2. I'm anemic.
You want to take this off or leave it on?
Leave it.
Leave it? Okay.
3 phones.
All 3 phones or...
Minute phones, man. Minutes out.
I know, but you want him to go with her.
Thank you, sir.
Is that a yes?
I can't use them in jail, officer.
I know.
But you can go with you.
I don't need shit in jail, bro. I'm not supposed to be going right now, bro. For real, I don't want to go. I'm not happy, so give it to me or throw it away.
Nobody
I don't
wants to
care.
go to jail, man. I get it.
I ain't got nothing else on me, bro. Y'all can just take me to go lay down, fam. Come on. For real, bro. Hold on.
He's
This
not
shit
leaving.
ain't fair,
He's
bro.
not
Like, damn, fam. Shit,
You know you have a warrant?
No, for what? Warrant for what, bro?
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out, man. You know, I've been knew about the warrant, but Mark Shiner don't know about it. So to call my lawyer and ask somebody, bro. Cause like, what the fuck? Mark Shiner, Latoya Bell Buns.
I don't know who they are.
Call Jack Fletcher. Call them. My lawyers, man. Come on, man. Call them. You know who they is. You're a fucking officer, man. Don't play stupid, bro. Cause I don't know why I'm being arrested right now. I ain't did nothing wrong. A guy was following me and I punched him in the shit. That's it. You heard me? That's it.
There you go.
He lucky I ain't kill him. You heard me? And it's my word
Don't
against
let me
him.
check your
He followed me.
handcuffs?
He told me I should come outside. You know?
You gonna let me check?
Yeah, I am. But bro, he ain't trying to hear me, fam. And this shit ain't fair, bro. You want to take me to jail for nothing?
I'm not taking
Come
you
on,
to
man.
jail.
You want to? You telling me that's what it is? I can't go against that. So you ain't trying to talk to whoever told you to take me to jail. So fuck you if it's fuck me.
Alright, go inside, man.
And if you was following me out the store, I'll punch you too. I'm just telling you. But you're not gonna do that. You got something to think with. I felt harassed. He could have been fucking trying to rape me or anything, bro. You feel me? That guy followed me out the store, bro. I turned around and I asked him, fam, are you harassing me right now?
Please take
Feel me? You trying to hit me out, bro? You just want to sit me in the jail.
I will hear you out.
All right, well then talk to me like a man, bro. My hands behind my back, so what the fuck else?
Have a seat.
Just listen to me. Because who the fuck is that fucking with me and why he ain't going to jail?
Take a seat or I'm going to pull you in.
Bro, who was fucking with me, bro? Hey, look, bun me out and get a bitch ass bun, man, an extra 1,000.
All right, I got you.
Hey dude, what's your name, man?
I don't even want to talk. Just take me in, please, because it's
I
not
can't
fair,
take you
bro.
without a
I
name,
can't.
bro.
No, you can, bro, because you ain't taking me in for nothing, really, bro. I just defended myself, man. That guy could have fucking been trying to me, bro. Kill me, bro.
Yelling at me?
Cause I don't want to talk, bro. It's not fair. My baby's gotta miss me right now because of this, dog. I got a 3-month-old, man.
What did you think of this intense situation? How do you think the officers handled the scenario? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future episodes. Stay safe and see you next time.